Today I'm going to show you how to use the masking tool in CapCut. So using a mask is really convenient because you can block out kind of stuff that you want. So I'm going to show you one particular use case of using a mask. So let's just say, for example, right over here in the middle, it says click to add a title. Let's say that's text that I do not want to show, or whatever other text on this video. So let's go ahead. We're going to click down on this video in our timeline. We're going to use the old school Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste. And you'll now see an exact duplicate of this video clip above. Now what you want to do is just make sure that you either reduce the volume. You can do that here. Okay. You can also go into audio and reduce the volume here. Or you can right click on it and just say extract audio. Here it is. And then you can delete it so that you don't double up on your audio on the video. Now what we're going to do is click on the actual video clip that we duplicated, go up over here to the right hand side, click on mask, and here we're going to add mask. So click on add mask, and here you can literally add whatever type of mask you want. So if we've got a split over here, okay, that's what it'll look like. A film strip down the middle, a circle, a rectangle. Now if you want to adjust your mask so that you are blocking out that text, we're going to use the rectangle. Of course, you can see a bunch more options, as well as the size of it, as well as the position, and then you can also track with the mask. So if this text is perhaps moving around in your video, you can use the track mask option over here. So now what we're going to do is on the left hand side at the top, we're going to go and look for effects. And here we want to type in blur. So let's go and say blur, hit enter, and we are going to look for a blur effect. It's quite simply this one here. We are going to just click on the download option. Once it's downloaded, you're going to click down and drag it over onto this over here. Now the reason we are clicking down and dragging it is because if we just click on the add button or the plus icon, this will essentially add this above. Okay, and we don't really want to add this above. The reason we don't want to add this above is because what happens here is everything beneath here will be blurred. As you can see, this video clip, which is what we can currently see, this will also be blurred. So we don't want that. We just want this one here. Now we've gone into mask, and as you can see, this is what the mask looks like. All right. So there's the text that we would like to now cover. So we can now literally just adjust this. Okay, like this and like that. And we can just move it about. And now that is blocking the text that we want to block. Of course, you can use different effects, you can use different shapes, and there are many different use cases. But essentially, a mask is part of your current video clip, and you're just doing an overlay of a duplicate.